Alright, though, y'all. Alright, so I just finished getting my hair cut. I'm hungry right now. I wanted to try something new. So I was like, fuck it, why not record a video? Also, I did something new with my hair a little bit too. But I was like, fuck it, I want to try something new. Right? So I'm gonna try out this seafood spot that's near me right now called Poolish Seafood. It don't look too great, I'm gonna be honest. But it's cheap. So, and it's close. And I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go get me some fried shrimp. Maybe I'll grab me something else off the menu while I'm there. But TBD. So catch you guys when I get there. Oh, should I just drive? I'm gonna drive anyway. I'm gonna still record just in case. Check my. There's a fun zone right there. Mini golf, go-karts. Maybe do that for a video. But whenever I have people come into town, we do that. Look at the Hardee's in here. Hardee's is so ass. AKA Carl's Jr. I remember when they opened that shit up in they opened up one in New York. It's gone now. Back in 2017. And it was not a successful. I mean, they had a nice little launch because they was giving out the shit. But once you take away shit from people, kind of fuck shit up for your business. People was getting used to getting like the chicken and then all of the shit that came with the chicken meal and shit like that. And once they take that away from the promotion, shit slowed down big time. And basically turned into just another outside, not usual place in New York business. And they got the fuck up out of there. I just hope this shit is good. That's what I'm hoping for. Alright, so we are here. Hold on, like a hood joint. At first it looked like they wasn't open. But I mean they opened up. It seems like your regular, like a simple as like your regular fish market that sell like fried food on the side type shit. Right now I'm waiting 10-15 minutes. It costs $10.65. It's cheap. And I don't know how many shrimp I'm getting. But then they also got the shrimp sauce, which is like, she said it's like a yum yum sauce. I'll get back to you guys when I get the food. And I'll eat it right here real quick and then skirt off home. Alright, so we got food. A few people look like they were a bit mad. But they ain't say nothing too much, but them seeing me get my food before them, and they ordered for me, and I was kind of last with it. I got something simple. They got more than one thing. You know what I mean? Let's see what this shit look like. Okay. They put the seasoning on top, but they ain't like. I'm gonna have to shake and bake this hoe. Look at this. I can't see it, but like. They just got like seasoning on top, so I'm gonna shake and bake this hoe. Okay. I got a bug in this bitch. Ah! So I went back in there and snapped the fucking Low Country Boil. I always heard Mighty talk about the Low Country Boil. And it was cheap. It was $12. I might get it. Okay. But she didn't put these fries solid. I ain't gonna lie. These no baby ass shrimp though. Oh. I ain't gonna lie. That season that they put on the french fries. Shrimp. Out and inside might look a little, but they ate. Well, back there. I mean, I just got this food. It's not like it was like a minute ago I got this food. It's a little soggy, you see, a little L shape, but I'm not complaining about that because the seasoning on point. You know what I'm saying? One more second. Oh, get that Low Country Boil. I'm doing it. Yo. But out of 5, I give it a it's like so simple, but it's like it's good. It's simple, but it's good. You know what I mean? 4 to 5. All right, y'all, we got our shit. Oh, listen. Oh shit, hey, and it's busting out the bitch too. It just better not get on my car, or I'm gonna hurt somebody. But y'all thought I was playing about getting that extra shit. Why would I lie? It was good. I should have got another shrimp, but I got only one stomach. I'm a big guy. You know what I mean? I'm a big guy, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Hey, if y'all out here, go to Pool Seafood.